Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sew a cute kid's dress using this pattern. It includes a 0.5 inch seam allowance and we will need elastic that's 0.5 inches wide. I'm using rayon fabric, but you can use any fabric you like. Cotton is a great choice, especially for kids. Let's start with the strips. We need 4 fabric strips. Fold them like this and sew along the edge to make them neat. Also fold and sew one end of each strip. Now our strips are ready. Next, we have 2 heart-shaped fabric pieces. Place one heart down, then place 2 strips on top of it facing inward, and then place the second heart face on top. Sew only the top part of the heart and leave the bottom open. It's already marked on the pattern. Turn it right side out and press it flat with an iron. This part is a little tricky, but once done, our heart is ready. Now we'll attach the heart to the front of the dress. First, make some gathers on the front piece where the heart will go. Then sew the heart in place starting from the middle. Leave about 1 inch at the top of the front piece. We will use this later to attach the sleeves. For the back piece, double fold the top edge and insert elastic to create a comfortable fit. Now attach the strips to the wrong side of the fabric. Let's move on to the sleeves. Attach them to the front and back pieces. Then insert elastic into the sleeves edges. Hem the ends of the sleeves by folding 1 inch. Finally, sew the side seams of the dress and hem the bottom by double folding it. And that's it, your adorable kid's dress is ready.